All right, here is the math message for 7-12. So let's read it. So it says, what fraction of a dollar is 1 dime? What fraction of a dollar is a penny? What fraction of a dollar is 7 dimes and 8 pennies? Write your answer as a decimal and a fraction. Okay, so let's separate these into 3 questions. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So let's only work on the first one. What fraction of a dollar is 1 dime? So I know that $1 can be written like this, 1 and 0 cents, just like a decimal. And a dime can be written like this, no whole number, 10. So this is how you would write it as a fraction. And then to make an equivalent, this is how you write it as a decimal. To make an equivalent fraction, it would be 1/10. So for number 1, I'm going to put, you could write it as a decimal like this, or you could write it as a fraction as 1/10. But actually, in the first one, they're only looking for a fraction, so it's 1/10. All right, the next one. What fraction of a dollar is 1 penny? So again, $1 written as a decimal. Now, how many pennies make up a dollar? 100. So this means the 1 is going to be in the hundredths place. So my fraction is going to be 0, no tens, and 1/100th. Okay, what fraction of a dollar is 7 dimes and 8 pennies? So I have to write this as a fraction and a decimal. Oh, I'm sorry, this would have been 1/100th as the fraction. So if I have 7 dimes, if I were to write 7 dimes and 8 pennies, I know this is 78 cents. How do I write 78 cents as a decimal? Well, you don't have any dollars, so the whole number is 0. 7 dimes, so that's in the tenths place, and 8 pennies, which is in the hundredths place. So here is your fraction. Here's your decimal, and if you wrote it as a fraction, you'd be 78 hundredths. So that's your answer for number 3. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you some examples of doing some simple number stories involving decimals.